In March 2014, our conference team saw a school who worked with 3D printers and they were mesmerized. We left with big dreams to build our own 3D printers and use them to better our school. When our facilitator found East Beyond the Bell grant, we got right to work. We planned our budgets, meeting times, and formed a team. We were ecstatic to find out we were recipient of this grant. We received our check in early July and our supplies in late July. Our team was ready to get started. We bought laptops, 3 printers, tools, and many boxes of different color filament. Next came the early mornings. Our team met once a week at 7 a.m. to plan for the After School Enrichment class while we simultaneously started to build our first printer. The printer came together fairly easy. We had a few bumps in the road, but what we didn't know then, that was the easy part. Our after-school kids came for 2 hours on Thursdays. They were building their own printer. The team quickly finished the wiring and moved straight into software. We thought we were ready for our first print, but there was a bigger problem: Z-Home.
For those of you that don't know, basically a 3D printer has an x-axis, a y-axis, and a z-axis. On the software we use, there's a button that says All Home. Before you print, you have to move your settings to that spot. That way the printer has somewhere to start.
While the team had time during their respective East class periods, the After School Enrichment team did not. They had only one afternoon per week. It has been a slow but rewarding process. The team worked hard to help lead those students in the right direction to help them finish efficiently.
We took on mainly the facilitator's role. We didn't do the work for them. If they needed help, we would help them and keep them on the right track, but we tried to get them doing as much of the work on their own as they could.
The team's printer was a lot of work. After long hours of fixing things ourselves, we looked to someone more advanced for help.
So we actually Skyped with a guy from Australia.
Thanks to multiple Skype sessions, Z-Home was finally fixed and we were excited. We started to print. At first, it was not anything elaborate. It took a long time for our team to figure out the correct settings, temperatures, and softwares to use. The After School Enrichment kids finally finished their printer. They decided to name their printer Kate. Our team has learned many valuable things about themselves. It has led to many realizations about technology and even our own futures.
Before the grant, I was really questioning on what I wanted to do after I left high school, but now I know that my path is engineering and that this is something I want to do for a living.
Currently, one of the last printers we are working on has had a lot of issues. We are currently rewiring the printer and hope to have it up and running in the next couple of weeks. The 3D printer has taught us how to meet goals we set for ourselves. We had 3 objectives going into this project. 1. Provide interested students with the opportunity to learn skills important to the STEM branch of careers. 2. Provide the science department a 3D printer for use in creating tangible objects related to science. 3. Provide after-school enrichment students with an environment to enrich their skills in mechanical engineering. Provide a self-directed, student-led pace for learning. We met all 3 of these goals. Dardanelle High would like to thank East for giving us the opportunity to do something many only wish they could partake in.